Hey everybody, it's Troy with C8 Garage, and thank you all for watching the show. On this vlog today, I'm gonna get these grills mounted on the intake, on the side intakes on the Corvette today. Sorry it's been a while since I've had a post. I've been kind of busy with, had a family vacation, and then we got back, it's just been baseball, work. So my son's playing on a high school team here, and now their Legion Ball is starting, so been constant baseball. But so I just haven't had a whole lot of time, but even the beard is coming in, so I kind of gave up on shaving. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get these installed. Basically, they go on the sides. So they protect the grill on the side intakes. I don't know if you can see back in here, but so far I haven't had really any damage. I did the front end already, and but these basically kind of go up in there, and you have to wedge them in there. But there's a great video on the actual company who made them. I'm going to probably just put the link to the video down below. It's for the Radiator Grills store, but they have a video on how to do it. And rather than trying to reinvent the wheel, I'm just gonna put their video down. They did such a great job showing how to install them. But I will kind of do a before and after on the Vet, so you can kind of see the difference. I haven't seen a whole lot of footage of before and afters with, you know, from the side with some lighting in there to kind of see what it looks like. So hope you enjoy, and you should be seeing those pictures here in a sec. Also, there's, this is the actual Radiator Stores flyer that came with it. And then, you know, there's the website right there. You can check them out. I don't have any affiliation with this company, so I don't really have a discount for you on it. But they're not that expensive. But go check them out, and if you think that that's a good look on your car after you see mine, I'll give a little review after. I have a long drive today, hope to get them in. So I kind of wanted to make sure that if there was any whistling or anything going on with them in the cabin, and I'll let you know. I thought I'd show what that intake looks like without the vent screening first. All right, so here is the after on the intake grill on the side. I've also done the fronts. I don't know if you can tell there or not, and the auto grills, but you can kind of see that mesh in there, and it fits okay. I'm not like 100% happy with it, but I do like it because it fills the whole area. And Paragon Performance has one that actually, it kind of cuts off and you can still see through there. So this one kind of fits better, but it takes a little bit of work. You gotta basically slide it in there, and then gotta kind of bend it. Almost has a concave shape to it when it's done. But you basically gotta get this kind of bent behind this back panel, and then you can reach in and grab it and kind of bend it forward. And then there's some tabs in there for it to catch onto. But you know, I'm pretty happy with it. It doesn't fit perfect, but from the naked eye, I mean, God, it looks factory, you know, this far back. But I don't know if the other side is visible or not. But yeah, you can kind of see it. I'll zoom in there a little
bit. This side's a little trickier, but on the video on how to from Auto Grill, it shows you exactly the steps to do it. And like I said, I'm just gonna put that link down below and you can follow the directions yourself. But I highly suggest doing it when it's kind of warm out. That plastic bin's a little easier. It's pretty malleable anyways, but it helps when there's a little bit of heat. I think they've even gotten better, because I actually had this done a couple days ago, but I wanted to kind of drive them and see if they hold. And I've done some launches with it and they haven't moved at all. So, and I noticed there's no temperature changes or anything with the motor itself. So I don't think it's being restricted as far as cooling. But Corvette looks nice today. It's a beautiful Saturday or a Sunday. That PPF wrap that I have on it is holding up really, really well. I ended up wrapping the whole car. I think I might have mentioned that in another video, but anyways, so hope you guys had an amazing Sunday and have a great start of your week. And if you have any questions or comments on the C8, please email me, or please shoot me a message in this video and I'll try to get back to you. Anyways, thanks for watching the channel, and like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and talk to you soon.